Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Solana. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Solana's price, where the price could be going in the immediate short term, and whether or not you should be worried if you are a Solana holder. So before we get into it, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of Solana right now as of May 25th, 2023, you guys can see the price is currently sitting at $19.22. And we are down about 0.2% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down a little bit in BTC comparative, to be exact, down about 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative. But most importantly, if we're looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $7.6 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 231 million. So there's a lot of things to cover. We're going to be talking about what is happening and whether or not we could see Solana break down its extremely important level of support that we've been above for a majority of the year. So let's shift our focus towards that. So basically, we're going to be looking at the bigger picture. Of course, I always want to zoom in to the bigger picture to show everyone where the price is currently sitting at right now. So, of course, everyone knows that we are in a bull market, and not a lot of people agree with me on that part, but, especially the newcomers. I'm sorry, the newcomers don't agree with me on that, but, it's quite understandable because altcoins are not moving. But in order for us to indicate that we're in a bull market or not, we base that off on Bitcoin. Because why? If Bitcoin is in the downwards channel, it's on a bear market, everything is gonna go down with it. So right now we know what Bitcoin has done this year. Bitcoin has been in a massive bull cycle, and yes, altcoins are in a bull market as well, but we're still finding a lot of altcoins in accumulation pattern. Right now, the state of the market is really all over the place. It's very strange. Meme coins are going off the roof. As you guys know, I'm making a coverage on meme coin. I'm doing a meme coin series, and they're literally going through the roof. But the good solid projects, and I've said this in all my meme coin updates. If you guys do follow me on my channel and for my meme coin updates as well, I've said on my channel that 99.9% of all those meme coins are going to fail. But the interest level is there. The gains could potentially be made there. But there's going to be a time where the meme coin mania is going to kind of slow down, and that's where that massive money that's sitting in the meme coin market, it's going to shift towards the crypto markets. So right now, what we're seeing happening with Solana specifically, to be exact, we're still finding ourselves in our accumulation zone. And this accumulation zone, I've been very clear as to how impressive Solana really has held throughout the year. Above this level of resistance. Back in March, we did briefly go below it, of course, because Bitcoin did see a retracement, but nonetheless, Solana has really held its place within this range, and that is really bullish. So now comes the question, are we finally about to see the price of Solana break below this level of resistance? I'm sorry, this level of support. Why am I calling it resistance? I'm sorry, I'm not feeling too well as well, so just a quick heads up. So we are still above that level of support. So is this a time where we see the price of Solana breaking below it? That's what we're going to discuss. So going back to Bitcoin's price, if you guys are a regular follower on my channel, I've been saying that Bitcoin has a chance to fall, especially if it were to go below this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level of support. The $25,000 table, the door is literally open. Bitcoin could go to 25k mark. No one wants to hear this, of course, but that is the case, and I've been saying this for the longest time. If that were to happen, we could potentially see Solana retesting this level of support and possibly even retesting the March lows. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 16%. And is that a possibility? Yes, that is a possibility right now, especially because right now this basically state of the market is all the good solid projects are literally lagging. And not only that, what we're also seeing is we're seeing some coins that are, so strong in terms of, utility, fundamentals. They are being slept on because of the fact that all meme coin market is literally through the roof. And not only that, all these solid projects, people that have been accumulating for years, I've seen this myself, comments coming in, oh, you know what, I sold all my this and that for, Pepe, which is, of course, a meme coin that has kickstarted this massive meme coin mania, which is really, really bad. I've said this from the beginning. You never want to be FOMOing in your long-term holdings, which you have done your due diligence and research for just these meme coins that are launching. Absolutely not. This is absolutely ridiculous. And that is also the reason as to why we're seeing a lot of solid coins going more towards the downside, because this is not small money that's moving out, guys. This is a big amount of money, and on top of that, Bitcoin seeing a lot of volatility that is causing, especially good solid altcoins and the altcoin markets in general to bleed harder right now. BTC dominance, on the other hand, it hasn't budged a bit. It's still sitting literally at its almost nearly highs for this year. So that's the state of the market. It's not just with Solana, it's with literally all the projects throughout the space. Like 90% of the projects right now are in similar place as Solana is in. But you guys know my stance on Solana. I see this project succeeding. This altcoin season is gonna come sooner rather than later. Meme coins won't continue to keep flying. There's going to be a time where the mania will kind of slow down. But I do see the overall meme coin mania, of course, sticking around till the next bull cycle. And this next bull cycle, according to history, if it were to repeat itself, the massive, bull cycle should start sometime next year after the Bitcoin halving. So that's where altcoins are going to explode. And I'm, very, very optimistic on Solana's future. We've seen the ecosystem grow at a tremendous rate, and we've seen the amount of interest that's come into this ecosystem. Forget about the price, the ecosystem, the amount of projects that have flocked to and migrated to the Solana blockchain is beyond bullish. And I'm really optimistic on what the future has for Solana. Yes, we could see a little bit of consolidation here. Mainly, it has been consolidating. Whether or not you like it or not, it has been trading sideways around the same price. Whether it's been $22, $19, in my opinion, it doesn't make a difference, especially if you're in it for the long haul. But that is my current stance on the price of Solana. Of course, if anything were to change, I will keep you guys updated. But this is the level of support that we do need to keep in mind. But as of now, if everything were to play out as I've mentioned, there is a chance that we do go below this level of support. So that is it for today's Solana's update. Let me know down below, what are your personal thoughts on Solana? Are you guys still accumulating? What are you guys doing right now? Are you guys still on the sidelines staking? Let me know down below. And I love you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.